Okay, coming here with another video here, and today it's just basically leftovers, but I decided to make some fresh onion rings and film those for my video of today. So I'm taking these out. That's all the ones that's already done already. I'm gonna take these out and add in a few more in the grease there. This is the brand that I'm using here. Onion ring. These the one here I'm gonna finish up. I also season them too, even though they already come breaded. I still put soul food seasons, onion powder, diced onion, garlic, pepper on them anyway to let them finish up like that. And then I was gonna come to you here. These my other two that I just got today. One kind of teal green, and then all the way teal green. This is like a medium one, and this one also has wheels on it that you can roll it. And just showing you something here. This is genuine green zebra jasper bracelets, and this is what I had got from W right here. And that's what I want to come to you guys for. It's just a short video here to show you my little Dollar General haul with another tub, clear tub with a light teal top, and then here's at the bottom like a medium one that rolls a teal color top and teal color bottom. See, this one is clear plastic with a light teal top. So that's what I wanted to show you today, and thank you for coming watching my videos. Like always, Psalms 23, Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Love you. Bye bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you.